Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all possible checking options on the IMEI.info page using the IMEI number of your Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, but before we begin, we need to find out what our IMEI number is. So, we have two methods how we can check it, and let me show you both of them. So, the first one is through the phone app. In here we need to type this specific code, so we need to type asterisk hashtag 06 hashtag, and in here, as you can see, we have the two IMEI numbers and also the serial number below. That's the first method that how we can check it, and also we can open up the settings. In here, scroll down into the bottom, click on About Phone, and in here we have also the two IMEI numbers. Okay, and once we know our IMEI numbers, we can go straight into IMEI.info page. Okay, so now we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. And now in this bar, we need to type the IMEI number of our device, then click on Check IMEI. Okay, so let's begin from the top. So, as you can see, we have our Galaxy S25. In here, as we scroll down, we can check the Samsung warranty and carrier, perform the blacklist premium check, and also by phone like this. Below, as we scroll down, we can see the basic information about our device. For example, does it have the LTE and the 5G, the battery capacity, does it have the built-in NFC, and that kind of information. We can also click on Expand Info to see more. If you are interested in full device specification, you can click right in here or right in here. Now click on the parameters, and here you have a long list. How does it look like? In here you have also another photos. Alright, but also now we go back, and below we can find the basic checks and the advanced checks. When it comes to the basic one, we have they're for free, and the advanced one are paid ones. When it comes to the basic one, we have the blacklist simple check, eSIM compatibility check, random image generator, MAC address check, MAC address generator, lost device add, lost device check. When it comes to the advanced one, we have the Samsung warranty and carrier, blacklist premium check, Samsung Knox Guard info check, T-Mobile USA status check, Verizon USA status check, and the Samsung unlock. For example, when it comes to the Samsung warranty and carrier, it costs $5, as you can see, and the time needed for that is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. And similar thing with the blacklist check. $5 for making an order, and the time needed for that is 10 seconds to 10 minutes. And below, you can share this page with QR code if you want. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.